How to cancel a transaction on Vinted. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can cancel a transaction on Vinted. Now, the first thing to do is to log in into your Vinted account just like I've done here. And so once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. Once you're on this page, move to the top right corner where you can see your icons such as inbox, notifications, favorites, and then your profile icon. Click on your profile icon. Once you've done that, a drop down menu will appear. In this menu, locate my orders. My orders is found under balance and above donations. So once you click on my orders, you'll be brought to your orders page where you'll see all of the orders that you've made so far. So you can see all in progress, completed, cancelled. So ensure you go to the one which says in progress since you would like to cancel the transaction. And so after clicking on in progress, you'll see all of your orders that are currently in progress. So locate the one that you'd like to cancel. By the time you click on it, you'll see a number of options such as request a refund, etc. So ensure you click on the option cancel. All right, cancel transaction. So click on it. After clicking on it, Vinted would give you some prompts asking you why you want to cancel the transaction. Go ahead and make your answer, and then after answering those questions, if you have specific reason, all right, if you have more reasons than the option provided, go ahead and type it out. And then once you've made your selection, confirm the cancellation. Then Vinted will process the cancellation and the transaction will be cancelled. All right, this is one major way. Then another way you can do it is by contacting the seller directly. Okay, so let's say for example, you got this particular bag, you've made your payment, and then you want to cancel transaction. Locate the seller's profile and then go ahead and click on ask seller. All right, you can either go through this method or locate the seller and then click on message. So once you are in the seller's inbox, just go ahead and type out your question in the box provided. Dictates the reason why you want to cancel and all of that, and then wait for the seller to respond, and from there Vinted will take over and guide you through the refund process. So this is how you can cancel your transaction, any kind of transactions on Vinted. Thank you for watching and have a good day.